Hey, welcome to Merch Cloud. This is Chris, and I just wanted to put together this quick tutorial video to show you exactly how to use Merch Cloud. So you're going to, when you log in, you're going to end up on the dashboard page. When you first log in here for the very first time, you're going to see something that looks like this, where you need to import your analytics from Amazon. So you're going to add your Amazon email and password here, click import data. It does take about 10 to 15 minutes to import all of your stuff in. After it's done, it should look something similar to this right here, which has all of your sales for the month, this week, last week, 3 weeks ago, your latest royalties and your top designs of that period. So that's all in the main dashboard. Then you have a profile page where you can add your image, your name, email, website, about you, change your password, and you'll see a tab on billing where it will keep up to date how long your account is active, all of your past payments, and when your next payments are due. New campaign, pretty self-explanatory. Here's where you create a new campaign, and how Merch Cloud actually works is by campaigns, the campaign level, which is basically a niche level, because we're going to be doing bulk uploads by niche or market. So for example, Pitbull shirts, fishing shirts, mechanic shirts, any kind of the similar type of shirt you're going to use in one campaign. So I'm going to do a Pitbull shirt campaign here just to show you how it all works. So actually, before I test this, I kind of want to give you a basic idea of how you're going to use the software. So when you want to add shirts to merch, you're going to come here and go to new campaign. So this is all of the options that Amazon gives you when you're uploading shirt. How Merch Cloud works is all done in batches. So let's say you have 10, 20, 30 shirts in the same niche or in the same market. I spelled this wrong. So say Pitbull shirts, or I mean, it could be anything, bowling shirts, anything, cat shirts, dog shirts, whatever. It basically just works by niche or by market, because you are going to fill out this description once. You're going to fill out the key product features, maybe throw in a few keywords here, and it will all be relevant to these shirts because they're all in the same niche. So if you wanted to do like Valentine's Day shirts, or really anything that can be collectively grouped together, and all the information that you use here can collectively be used for each of those shirts. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to upload some Pitbull shirts. Here you put in the campaign name. No one's going to see that but you. We're going to select the shirt type. So you have the Anvil or American Apparel. Just keep the Anvil. Do you want it on the front or back of the shirt? I'm going to choose the shirt options. I'm going to choose men and women. Most of my designs are for black shirts, but I'll put it on a black and a slate shirt. My list price is going to be $23.99. The brand name is going to be Shopzumi. My key product features. Okay, so for the key product features, I usually put in a few keywords along with the product features. So I would put something in here related to Anvil shirts, and then I would put my keyword right there. I'm going to put good. And that's it. And then for my product description, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to write out some kind of info that makes sense but uses these keywords. So something like this. So here's the product description, and obviously you will see my keyword right here, and right here. So I used it a few times in the description, used it a few times in the product features, and that's going to be put on all of the Pitbull designs that we are about to upload. So after all of this stuff is filled out, what you're going to do is click Create Batch. What that's going to do is say batch was successfully created. So now this is all the information in this batch is right here. So you can add the shirts to this campaign right here. After you create the campaign, it's going to show up in My Campaigns. As you can see here, I've already done one for pit bulls. It's going to keep track, tally of all of the designs that you have uploaded in this campaign. You can see there's 6 designs in this. You can edit this campaign, which if you click this thing, so if you wanted to add more shirts to here, you can, and change the description, whatever you want to do. Then you can update that batch or campaign. You can delete the campaign, or you can view the campaign. So we're going to look at this, and if you scroll down here, it'll tell you the shirts in the campaign. So all of your shirts are listed down here, as you can see, and they all have a date and time on them as well. So what you can do is when a shirt gets taken down for the 60-day period, you can come back here. All of the shirts in the campaign will be listed here, and you just tick off the ones that got taken down that you want to put back up. And then you're going to choose the date and time you want to put it back up. This will automatically be the current time when you log in. So right now today it's February 4th, 12:58 p.m. and this will be different depending on the time that you are looking at it. So you can, if you leave these unchecked or leave these checked in this time the same, it will post right now. So you check off the ones you want, put your email for merch and your password, and click resubmit selected shirts, and it'll send those over to Amazon. If you want to schedule them, you do the same exact thing, except you would just change the date and time that you wanted to post it over there. And then when that happens, it shows up in the scheduled uploads, which I'll go over in just a second. If you want to add new shirts or new designs to this Pitbull campaign, so you have 5 more designs you want to add, you just click this add more shirts to campaign. You're going to put in your merch account email and your password, select if you want it a draft sample or sell publicly, and again you can post it right now, or you can post it, schedule it for whatever day you want to post it for, and then you're going to choose the files from here and upload them. It's really easy. So let me just go through and actually show you how to add shirts to a campaign. So if you go to view, let's see, add more shirts to this campaign. I'm going to choose the files here. All right, so I'm going to choose this one, going to open. It'll have the shirt listed there. If there's more than one selected, I'll show you, it'll tell you. So I can select, all these right here and open, and it'll say eight files are going to upload. I'm just going to show you with one really quick. So I'm just going to select this one, open it up, put my merch account email in here, and then my password. I'm going to set this to sell publicly, and it currently right now is 1:02 p.m. It is February 4th. I'm going to post this right now, and now I'm going to send this campaign to Amazon. So it says your batch image was successfully created. I need to change this wording here. What that means is basically it sent your designs to Amazon. And that's all. That's it. So it usually takes maybe 5-10 minutes before they're posted over on Amazon, and then you can log into your Amazon account and see them. And also right there, it posts the shirt inside the campaign and adds it to the bottom. So if you look at the My Campaigns now, it says there's 7 shirts in there. So that's how you add more shirts to a campaign. Now let me show you how to schedule out a upload. So under the scheduled uploads, you're going to see all of your scheduled uploads and your completed uploads right here. It says the date and time this design was uploaded, and then you can go to that campaign right here. So what I'm going to do is schedule out another shirt. So I'm going to add more shirts to this campaign, do the same thing, come over here. I'm going to choose another shirt to be scheduled out. Okay, so I'm going to schedule one of these shirts to go out in the next few hours. And another important point to note is that when you're creating a new campaign, the title that's going to be in Amazon for your shirt or your design that you're putting up is going to be the file name of the design that you're uploading. So this one says Pitbull, let's see, Pitbull messing with my Pitbull T. Here, we'll just call it that. So that is going to be the title on Amazon of this shirt right here, whatever the file is called. So I'm going to open that up. Again, I'm going to put my merch account email and my password. Select sell publicly. Now I want this to go off at, let's say in an hour from now. So right there, it's set up to post then. I'm going to create that. So we're going to wait for that to upload. There we go. And it was successfully created. Now we're going to jump back to scheduled uploads. And right there is the shirt we're going to upload. And that's going to upload at 2:03 p.m. my time. So that's it. After it's uploaded, it'll show up down here under the recently completed uploads. That's how easy it is to use the scheduled uploads. Apart from that, we have the reporting. So you can click on reports. You have a much more detailed reporting going on here than you do in Amazon. So if you click this drop down, you can do today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, this month, last month. Give you your total revenue for this time span and your total royalty for this time span. So very detailed analytics and reporting, much better than what Amazon has going on right now. If you want to know your exact merch reports, we pulled them in for you. So these are your exact merch reports that you see on the merch reporting tab. So it tells you the date, the parent ASIN, the child, the title of the shirt, how many units you sold, revenue, royalty, whole 9 yards. Same exact thing. All this is doing is pulling in from your merch account, same exact information that you can go through here. So other than that, I think that's about it. So come back to your campaigns and find them. Say 3 Pitbull shirts got taken down. You're going to come to your Pitbull shirt campaign. You're going to view it. You're going to select the shirts that got taken down. Say it was these 3. And then you're just going to add in your merch account email and password and click resubmit shirts, and it sends them right back over there. So very easy and effective way to get your shirts back up onto merch after they've been taken down. Thanks again for checking out MerchCloud. I really do appreciate it. This software has helped me out so tremendously on Amazon Merch. It's helped me get over 3,000 designs live on Amazon, and it is just incredible. It's been a fun ride creating the software and using it. I hope it's as helpful to you as it is to me, and I would appreciate and love to hear any feedback or questions that you may have. Please reach out, support@merchcloud.io, or you can find us on the Facebook group for MerchCloud members, and the link to that is below this video as well. So thanks for checking it out. I do appreciate it, and I hope to hear from you soon.